Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Before we do that, we did alert successful play on yesterday, successful play on today. Both plays on yesterday is really successful, especially as a lot of people in the VIP continue to hold on to Tesla, and if they did, they're making money because the contract didn't expire until today. So I end up rebuying Tesla on today. My contracts is now in the money, so I know they're in the money. So both of those plays is successful on yesterday. But if they follow my alert on Tesla, they sold for a small loss whenever it dipped and came back. We ain't just panic and sell at the bottom. We waited for it to recover and then sold because we know it could have been a dead cat bounce. Like, it get stopped out once it went up to the resistance. So we went on ahead and got out of that. But anyways, guys, if we go ahead and take a look at it, we alerted Genius Group on today or whatnot. We alerted early this morning, but that mug started running in pre-market. If we would have got in pre-market, we would have made a lot of money. But I wish it wouldn't have ran like that in pre-market. I wanted it to the dip and then take off like that and open the bell. That's exactly what's supposed to happen. But it didn't want to go ahead and run in pre-market. So I had to just let you run, do what you do, and wait. And then it happened. I told everybody to wait. We're gonna load up at the low threes, the high twos, low threes, and that's exactly where it came down to. As you can see, it came down. We said bye, bye, bye. Genius Group came down to 318, and at 318 it continued to go down to 289, 277, or whatnot. And we said I said load up, watch for the twos as well as impatient pays or whatnot. And we end up getting it. I bought a little high because I know sometimes how it'll get near my target, but it'll go ahead and bounce from there, and I'll go ahead and sell at that quick bounce. But anyways, we end up selling for $247 profit, in a matter of minutes, probably like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Usually it took a little longer than expected. That thing's supposed to bounce back to 4 at least quick, but not even 4. It did run crazy in pre-market, so that was good enough what it did, I guess. But like I say though, I was hoping it didn't run in the pre-market, panic at open, and then took off the way it did. That would have been a beautiful day, beautiful play. But anyways, if you meticulous about it, you could still make money on something that already took off, right? So anyways, guys, as we know, guys, it's about to blow though. It's about to blow. It's about to blow. They can't hold it back. Like I told you guys, this week was a digestion week. You want to just digest everything that took place. We had an awesome week on last week. Week like this one is all over the place, mixed signals, mixed vibes, manipulation going on because the market should be running right now, doing from my homework and it adding up. Even if it doesn't sustain itself, the market should be flying right now. It should be, from the calculation, we about to see a soaring market for days after days after days after days, week after week after week. Of course, it's going to be turbulence along the way, red days in between, but overall, the market is about to get very, real bullish. Bitcoin done did it. It done took off to its next level. The market has some catching up to do, guys. So the market, I'm waiting for, certain stocks to shoot up $5, $6, $10, $15, $20 at a time. Yes, and if you were in an option contract at that given moment in time in VIP, you're going to make, oh my gosh, you're going to make crazy amounts of money. I'm talking about people with just a few $100s. They're going to be able to make crazy money if the market, I'm not hyping nothing up, the market just has to fall in place how it's supposed to and what's in line and what it theoretically supposed to do. Judging off of history and human nature, guys, people should make crazy amounts of money, guys, especially with options. But anyways, and it got to be timed right. Aim small, miss small. Do your thing. You already know what to do. But anyways, guys, as we know, GME is up over about 5% today. AMC, they still holding it back, being stagnant. They holding it back. But once that thing break loose, we all know it could definitely go. Okay. And we also know the feds, they coming out with that tactic that they do. Excuse me. The tactic that they do over there. They, try to put everybody at fear, then try to put you at ease, then right back at fear. They have their sense of control, and and now they coming out stating how they need to be aggressive with interest rates still, and we're in a recession, in which we already are, and they just doing what they can do, right? And none of that is affecting these monsters. Netflix took off today. We got Apple taking off today. We got Tesla taking off today. Whenever you got these big boys in these spaces taking off the way they are, it leads for a rocket ship for the market. And not just that alone, like I told you, there's multiple other things. Like I say, smart market got some catching up to do to Bitcoin. We got big tech, we got big dog companies in the space that's taking off. We got close on a Friday, had a bad week prior, all this week, choppy, looked crazy, looked wild. And then on a Friday, a day of a sell-off, and with all this uncertainty going on, the market is actually going up. That's letting you know something, guys. All this, put it all together, we got something special going on here going into next week. But anyways, regardless what the market do, it's getting kind of sketchy to be doing puts right now because of what I know is about to come with the market. Crazy movement, like crazy stocks taking off dollars at a time. I'm talking 30-40% days. That's with overall buying shares. But if you're buying options and the stock go up 30% a day, we talking 1,000% plus. But anyways, you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the BH Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.